It's November 7th, 2022, and we still have produce in the garden. Here's a raised bed with a lot of greens, lettuce and celery and kale and radicchio. And next door here we still have a strawberry bed, and look, there's still flowers. So we're hoping to get more strawberry. Oh yeah, there's some strawberries there, not ripe yet. And then the goji, I already harvested 2 trays of goji, and I'm going back for more. As you can see, there's a lot of goji. Yeah, there's goji. I have to get a step ladder. There's quite a bit. A lot of berries haven't ripened yet, but the weather's nice enough. It's pretty windy, but gotta harvest them, otherwise the birds get them. Here's another bed of greens that we have, and more greens there, and onions there, and more greens there, and lots of leeks here, and there's some Chinese lettuce over there. So we got lots of produce to harvest for salads. We have Brussels sprouts here. They're doing okay, and still have some dill and garlic chives here, and some herb, some sage, and some basil, however you want to pronounce it. This is the asparagus bed we planted in May, so it's the first year you don't harvest anything yet, but next year we're gonna have a nice harvest. And I also have a different breed of strawberries here. They're smaller ones, they're more like wild ones, and these have been producing pretty well. As you can see, here's one here I can pick, and another one here, and there's more, I'm sure. So that's where we stand so far. I'll show you how many goji berries we harvested. Here's the goji berries I harvested today, and there's a lot more where that came from, that's for sure. Nice strawberries. So Lisa harvested these greens.
Yeah, I just harvested these. That's nice. It's early November, but you can still have nice greens. And the leek, I'm going to make some soup tonight.
Yeah.
And look, there's still flower buds on the rose. That is nice.
Ah.
Yeah, that is really nice. And we have those primrose blooming too.
And these roses still have what, buds too? Flowers?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the primrose.
Still look nice and fresh.
And
the red ones too.
These primroses too.
Yeah.
It's nice to have flowers this time of the year.
Oh yeah.